Are you sitting idle with a product, skill, or idea, hoping to reach people with your own website? I have great news. You can start now. I will light up the unknown terrain for you. Web developers abound in number. Many suggest their way is better than others. Let me help you rise up from that confusion. I will tell you where the nuts and bolts fit, from the bulb-on moment of your idea to becoming a successful customer favorite platform on the web.
Hi there, this is Turja Shah. Let's talk about who this video is for. This video is for budding entrepreneurs, business owners, or anyone looking to take their product or service online. It will also help you choose the right person for the right job. If you are confused or you don't know nothing at all, after watching this video, many of your confusions will be cleared and you will also start looking at the bigger picture.
Prelude. Few things to consider before you begin. Ensure you have a product or service ready to sell. Ensure that you do competitor research. See how your competitors are doing in the market. What do you feel about their websites? Note them down. It will be helpful for your web design. You don't need to go wild with your creativity just yet. Don't lose focus of your product or service. Remember, you don't have to be a master of all crafts. We will first see the world view of your journey and then dive deeper. After you finish this, you won't be bothered by the internet noise anymore. You may take notes. The online business world has 3 continents: legalities, website, and market. You have to take care of your legal affairs. They range from registering your business name and logo to stating clearly the policies of your website. You need to know what to write in your privacy policy if you add analytics or ads on your site. Make sure you have trading license for your products and set up your taxation system. Website. Website design is sure a lot of work, but in most cases you need no degree to do it. Do you need courses on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP and whatnot? Well, if you are thinking if only I had time, then you don't need. You are smart enough to use them when and where they will be required. You surely don't want to reinvent the wheel, do you? You want to do business, reach people. People like you grow the society, and the open source community is thankful to you. That's why they created WordPress. It is a content management system or CMS. It will help you build great websites without a line of code, often without spending a dime. This is not everything. As your business grows in complexity, you can hire professionals to do the rest of your job. WordPress with its plugins provides a huge community. That means anywhere you get stuck, Google will have the answer. Of course, you have many other options like Shopify, Magento, QOR, etc. Domain and email. You have to choose a domain name first, which should be your company name. You have options like Google Domains, GoDaddy and others. Then you have to choose where to host your website. Some offer to let you buy both domain and hosting like Hostingger. Get an SSL. Without SSL, you will be stopped from interacting with customers by most browsers. Get a professional email. This will mark your professionalism. It will be an email that ends with your domain name. Example, my domain is www.turjashaha.tech and my professional email is mail@turjashaha.tech. You can replace the mail part with contact support or anything. You can get it for free with Zoho and with a minimum price from Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. Many hosting providers offer to give you professional domain emails too. Photos. You cannot expect people to see the primitive 3GP photos nowadays. You may not know the right angles, but a clean and high quality picture goes a long way. You can pay for tools like Adobe Lightroom, Photoshop and Illustrator, or go open source with Raw Therapy, GIMP and Inkscape. Open source products are just not that user friendly, else they do great job. You should always start with raw images. Even smartphones have that option now. Then convert to PNG, JPEG or JPG. Scale down your image size to the point it serves your purpose without losing quality. You can take another step to convert them to modern WebP format. This will make your website faster and rank higher in search engines. SEO. Though SEO falls under marketing, you cannot do good SEO if you don't start it while making your website. In WordPress, you can install Rank Math to guide you in making an SEO optimized website. Testing. After you think your site is ready, it is time to put it to test. See if your links are taking you where you want them to, if your payment, delivery and other minor features are working fine. See if it is fast enough. Marketing. Now about marketing. To reach future customers or leads, you have to create content and do copywriting. Content will create your loyal customers, adding value to their lives. Copywriting will convert your leads to real buyers. Promote your contents over social media. Run paid ads over Google, Facebook and other medias your target customer prefers to stay. You cannot be cheap on your journey to greatness, but you can replace a lot of expense with your skills. Through email subscriptions, grow and nurture your customer base. Finally, keep improving your business and website structures so customers feel more familiar. Surveys, A/B testing, analytics tools are few of the ways you can learn where to improve. I will share with you a great book to help you with this. You can always manage your website freely when your ROI is moderate. When it goes high enough, I suggest you focus on product and leave digital part to professionals. Without a good product, a business cannot last online.
Hope this video made it clear how Hope this video will help you map your future journey. Now you know what to look for. I will share with you the PPT and the ebook I promised. Also, if you are interested in building a website with WordPress, then I'm gonna write a blog about what the free and premium plugins you can use and very few amount of tutorials that will help you make a great website. So go to my blog and keep updated to subscribe to my newsletter to know when I post it, or if you are lucky, if I have already posted it, then you may find in my blog. Just follow the link of my blog below, it's given. And thank you, that's all for today. See you again.